Good day friends, welcome. Need a German IBAN for your Revolut account? Whether you're new to Revolut or an existing user, this quick guide will show you how to obtain or locate your German IBAN. So firstly guys, if you reside in Germany and sign up for Revolut after 28th of May 2024, your account should automatically come with a German IBAN, starting with DE. Existing customers will be notified via email when eligible to migrate to the German branch. Follow the instructions provided to consent to the migration. After that, you can open up your Revolut app on your device, navigate to the Home tab, tap on Accounts, select your Euro account. Then on Details, you need to tap on this button to view your IBAN and other account information. Also guys, upon consenting to migrate to the German branch, your account settings, including balances and transaction history, will be seamlessly transferred. Your new German IBAN will become the primary identifier for your accounts, but your previous Lithuanian, for example, IBAN will remain active temporarily to ensure a smooth transition. That's pretty much it. That's how you obtain it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides. Check out the description as well, and thanks for watching.